Hello and welcome to Diagnostic Network. Now that you have your account up and running, let me give you a few pointers around the site. First thing you'll notice is that you're seeing a stream of all topics as indicated by the All Topics drop-down. If you want to drill down into any particular topic, you can do that from here. If you wanted to, say, take a look at a customized list of watch topics, like I have defined here, you can see that I'm seeing messages posted to network communications, electrification, autonomous vehicles, etc. If I want to customize that list, I can click on this little editing icon, and on this page you'll find on your account you're likely subscribed to all of these topics. You can click on the watch here to deselect them all or select them all. In this case I'll deselect them all, and I'm going to go back and select, I'll add drivability, electrification, and say the network communications, hit save changes, and if I scroll up here and hit watched topics, I'm now back on the list of watched topics. Now, one thing you'll notice on the message here is that we've got the title of the message, who the author is and where they're from. We also show a summation of the votes collected on the particular article itself, the number of responses, and how old the message is. If I click through to the message, you'll notice right away it opens up a new tab. If I close out the tab, I'm right back to where I was. In this particular view, you'll notice that all of the messages are pretty well defined, and you'll see that this one is grayed out because we just went and read that. We keep track of all of the messages, and if we look at this particular account, this is my personal account, and as you scroll down the page, you'll see messages that are new in a thread that you've already consumed, and you can see that there are some new messages, and when you click through it drops you right down to that new message, allowing you to quickly consume that content and move on. Posting to the site is easy. Here you can select a topic. Up to 2 can be selected. So in this case I'm going to pick Diagnostic Network. The type of message needs to be defined, and we have case study, demonstration, discussion, event. But we have a special type that we just recently added to the site, and that is called resource. And when you select resource, you'll see a message appear letting you know that resources do not appear in the main feed and are only discoverable through search currently. Eventually, this will show up in a resource library section that we're currently working on. In this case, I'm going to leave it in the resource area. I'm going to give it a title. If it was vehicle specific, we could define a vehicle here, and you could either paste in a VIN number or say type in a vehicle. So maybe I had a 2018 Chevrolet Equinox, begin typing Equinox, and you can see that I can just select from the choices that are presented. In this case, I'll leave that out. If we go down to symptoms or DTCs, we have the entire J2012 SAE data set. So if I pick a P0101, we're going to give you the option to select, and it will bring in the proper description and text information so that you do not have to type that. If you have any other useful content or keywords that you think would be useful for helping others understand what it is that you're looking for, like no start, you can begin typing that and pick from any suggestions that we bring through. Or if you had something specific that wasn't in there, you can actually create that, and where it says add no start cold, you could easily add that. In this case, we'll go ahead and just delete those. Here we would go ahead and begin typing in our message. And you saw in that earlier post where there were some images, we also allow you to easily attach files. So if you click on attach files and then just bring up your file browser, we allow you to just click and drag in a file, and we'll click upload. You can do multiple files simultaneously. But for this demo, we'll show you how to do this. The other optional thing that we allow you to do is link the image or embed the image within the post. So you could drop that in there, click and drag to drop it in there, or in this case, I'm going to basically take that out. Say that I wanted to link it to a specific word. Check out this waveform and say I wanted to link the word waveform to this image. So if I just click on this image, I can select embed file, copy link. So if I click copy link, I've now copied that to the clipboard, and if I double click on this word to highlight it, I can then select this link here and then just hit paste or Control V to paste that in there. And now that is properly linked. And when I click to post the resource, I will now see my post with my image embedded. If you want to search the site, you can click on the search icon here and use the keyword search. You can also drill down to vehicle makes. Over here on the right, you'll see your icon, and this is where you can gain access to your settings page, your profile page, your billing page, etc. Additionally, if you want to follow someone, say that you find someone that you'd like to find other articles that they've written, you can click on their icon and you'll be taken right to their profile page where you can see all of their activity shown in one particular feed. If you have any questions or comments, send us an email, support@diag.net, and thanks for watching.